currently short in Bitcoin, actually in 2 positions. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down. Starting here on the daily chart. So I've got this candle here. If you see this down close candle, this red close candle here, this candle closed, and I'm using this candle to frame the following candle, which is yesterday's candle. So I'm using 2 days ago candle to frame yesterday's candle to make a trading decision on drawn liquidity today. So yesterday's candle failed to close above day before yesterday's candle and closed inside the range. So it swept day before yesterday's candle with this wick and then closed inside of day before yesterday's candle. To me, this triggers a potential short opportunity. And then for a target, there's the opposing swing low that's resting down here from the day before 2 days ago, if that makes any sense. So using price action here on the daily to frame my drawn liquidity. So right now my drawn liquidity is to the sell side. And then here on the 1 hour chart, you can see some of that price action. So you'll see multiple arrows. I took a long position, built a long position from here and took profit from it up here. And then we'll start with my short position. So this is my short position that is equivalent to this position here. And then this was a position here that was taken during the Asian session, and then I took profit here during the London session, or my bad, let's go back. And I took profit here during the London session. So this is let's look at this. This is one position here to the short side, and this position is still on. This is another short position that was covered during the London session here. And then this is the third short position here that I've taken during the New York AM session. And now looking for that position to deliver further to the sell side, if at all possible. And my position that I've taken here based off of the daily chart here, I'll show you my order for that position. So my order for that position, I have my stop loss placed above yesterday's high, and my target is this sell side liquidity resting below this swing low right here on the daily. So this trade is taking an area of external range liquidity up here and then trading it to this next area of external range liquidity. And only because I would seek internal range liquidity, but there is no internal range liquidity in this area. So I'm just going to target the opposing external range liquidity. And then for a better idea of what I was talking about with external and internal range liquidity. So this was external range liquidity up here that was swept out of the market here with this wick. Then I would look for internal range liquidity for my next target, which this position here is based off of. And my next area of liquidity that I would target was this bullish fair value gap down here. So with this entry, price action delivered to this target, and I was able to take profit where this external range liquidity here to this internal range liquidity right here. And now this current position, price action traded back into a bearish fair value gap that's located right here. So this bearish fair value gap or sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency was created when price was delivering to the sell side on that delivery where it went from external range liquidity here to this internal range liquidity here. It set this bearish fair value gap or this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. And when that happened, I'll come over here to the 5-minute chart. And here on the 5-minute chart, you can see price action here delivering to the sell side and then start to put in a lower high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. Sweeps all of this liquidity here. So anyone that was trading in this area here with this trend line liquidity has now been swept out, and now price starts to deliver lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, and now let's back up here, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, higher low, lower high, lower low. So we can see this consolidation action and also this showing price transitioning here from delivering to the sell side, from delivering to the buy side to a shift to the sell side, creating a market structure shift here to the sell side. So showing the potential for price to deliver lower, where you can see this area where there's quite a bit of consolidation here. And to me, this is price, or as you can say, rolling over here. But you got sell side delivery, pull back, sell side delivery, pull back, and now potential more sell side delivery here on the 5-minute price action. We can see price now consolidating here near my entry point and starting to trade below my entry point and deliver to the sell side if all goes well. You can see here on the 1-hour chart, price still trading within the 1-hour bearish fair value gap here. So ideally, want to see price deliver through this gap and put in a body candle close below this level here. And then for this trade, so my stop loss for this position is just above this swing high here, or on the 5-minute, this area here. So stop loss at 69,871.6. So stop loss resting up here with buy side liquidity and targeting this swing low down here. So for this being internal range liquidity here, I want to target here with this external range liquidity. And this profit target is the equivalent of the low of 2 days ago candle. There's sell side liquidity resting here, so I want to target that with the price delivery algorithm, and we'll see if price can deliver to that point. Still getting some consolidation in here as price is trading above and below my entry point currently. Price, I believe, is currently trading within a bearish fair value gap here on the 5-minute. You can see a gap here. Price trading into that gap. What I would like to see in this 5-minute candle is for price to close below the gap. So with less than 2 minutes remaining in this candle, we'll see how price behaves. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. Right now, price trading at the lower end of the bearish fair value gap. Now price has traded lower below the gap. If price can maintain a level below the gap, then I would say there's a higher probability that price would continue delivery to the sell side. Seeing further sell side delivery here. Some sell side with speed and price at 69,150 level. And price closed below the sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency here on the 5-minute. So we'll see if there is continuation here with this sell side delivery. Price here delivering to the buy side, 69,250 level. And we'll see if this candle wants to respect the fair value gap here. Price testing the fair value gap. So price currently within a fair value gap on the 1 hour, a bearish fair value gap, also within a bearish fair value gap on the 5-minute chart. Price has put in a new 5-minute high. Price trading above the gap now here on the 5-minute chart. Showing some buy-side delivery with speed here. Price trading well above the gap. And seeing a return to sell side with speed. Price trading at the 69,350 level. Further sell side here, 69,320. Price trading back within the fair value gap. Just not satisfied with these crooked lines here. That's better. Almost. Very good. Price still trading above the gap here on the 5-minute. Price trading inside the gap still on the 1 hour. You can see price closed above the gap here on the 1 hour. So this could indicate Further buy side delivery here. Ideally, I want to see price close back within the gap and then close below the gap. Less than 1 minute remaining in this 5-minute candle. Price showing strong buy side delivery, trading at the 69,400 level. So it looks like this will close it with, or close above the gap here. So we've got a close above the gap on the 1 hour and a close above the gap on the 5-minute. Now we'll see if price continues to deliver to the buy side, or if price will shift to the sell side here. Which the overall delivery here is to the sell side. Price back at the 69,350 level. Price here on the 5-minute chart is reacting from this level here. So if you see this buy side delivery here, within this buy side delivery, there are bullish fair value gaps here and here that are in an area of discounted price here. You can see when price redelivers here to the sell side, it fails, or at least here. Here it closes, so you get the inverse fair value gap here, or the IFVG, when this body candle here closes below. But there's also this gap down here. So that would need a body candle close below for this to be an IFVG down here. If we get that, then I would anticipate further sell side delivery here. But right now, until that happens, also this area here, where this bullish fair value gap is here, there would need to be a body candle close below this level to cause an inverse fair value gap here that could lead to further sell side delivery here. So looking for body candle close below this level here for any continuation here to the sell side. Price trading at the 69,420 level, so still showing buy side delivery here. Seeing further buy side delivery here, 69,500. So been under constant pressure here since entering this position, so this is not my favorite position. ideally I wanted to target on the 1 hour chart this bearish fair value gap back here, but this actually set up here on the 5 minute. So if I get my setup based on my multiple time frame analysis, then I'm going to take it regardless of if it's where I would like it to be ideally or not. So this position has me uncomfortable because I'm facing drawdown more than I would prefer to, but this happens in some of these positions. The main thing is just to have confidence and trust in my system that is higher probability. So understanding that losing trades is just a part of trading, but the fact that you have a higher probability chance of winning a trade makes it worthwhile if you are managing your risk properly to take the position. So for this, I've got my risk managed properly. So I'm willing to accept the loss, but preferably I would rather the high probability trade situation to work out in a profitable way. So we'll see here as price is potentially coming to test my stop loss, trading at 69,580 level. And my stop loss is resting just above the swing high here. So there's buy side liquidity up here. So we'll see if the algorithm wants to come for it or if it wants to go for sell side here. So price has just swept out some buy side liquidity resting here. If price goes much higher, this would only be the next level left here to see liquidity. So we'll see what price does. Ideally, we want to see price return here to the sell side and start seeking out these levels of sell side liquidity here. If not, then price will continue to deliver to the buy side and seek out this buy side liquidity here. $69,620. $69,600, $69,580. Price consolidating here near the $69,600 level. Seeing some sell side delivery here, 69,550. $69,520. $69,480. Seeing some sell side delivery here. $69,450. $69,400. $69,380. Seeing some sell side delivery with speed here. $69,350. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current candle. 5-minute candle, 69,320. And a new 5-minute candle. We'll see if there is any continuation with sell side delivery here. Price testing the low of the previous 5-minute candle, trading at the 69,320 level. And price delivering lower, putting in a new 5-minute low, new 10-minute low. Price trading at the 69,270 level. Price pulling back here, 69,350. $69,380. 69,420. Seeing some buy side with speed here, 69,450. Price consolidating here at the 69,400 level. Price showing some sell side delivery here, 69,350. $69,380. Price still consolidating within this range. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. $69,350 sell side. Back to $69,380 consolidating. $69,400. $69,380. New 5-minute candle. Let's see if we get any continuation to the sell side here. $69,380. $69,430. $69,450. $69,420. Price consolidating here at the $69,420 level. $69,400. So a bit like watching paint dry here around my entry here. But if all goes well, we'll get some sell side delivery and it'll be as if it never happened. $69,520. Seeing some buy side with speed here. Seeing some volatility come in here. $69,550 level. Price showing buy side delivery here with speed. $69,560, $580, $600, $620. $69,650, $700. Looks like we may get stopped out here. $69,720. Strong buy side delivery coming in here. $69,680. $69,750. Gonna get stopped out here. $69,650. $69,620. $69,700. Turn to buy side here. Aggressive buy side delivery here in this candle. $69,680. $69,720. $750. And stopped out here. So the issue that I have with this particular trade is that equilibrium was not met. If you look at this, you'll see now price has just tapped equilibrium here. So this may have been my error with taking this trade. So you can see the level of equilibrium here and price not reaching into it until this current candle where I took this position here, where price was in an area of discount pricing. Now this is an area of premium pricing up here. So ideally, taking any short position, you want to be in position up here. So this is likely a matter of just making this adjustment here, but just offsides here on the position. So now I'll just be standing by for another potential short, just based off of this fair value gap here. So the level here is 70.44.1, and this is already trading into this bearish fair value gap here currently. So I'm going to adjust my trade parameters to ensure that I'm only entering positions on side or within the, if I'm in a sell, I'm in premium. If I'm in a buy, that I'm in discount. So I'll make that adjustment so that I am reducing the amount of errors that I'm making here on these trades. So if I back this up here, you can see this is the ideal position here for taking a short trade, and I would want to frame it based off of an entry down here at this point. But price can still deliver higher, do quite a few things, but for right now, this would be my entry level if price redelivers here to the sell side. Still in this longer term position, so this trade here on the daily could take a day or two to work out or more, but when I take a trade off the daily chart, I understand that it could take a few days or take the better part of the week. So I'm just going to sit in this position. My stop loss is currently well protected. There is this issue here of this candle. There's some liquidity resting above this candle here. There's no top wick, so there is the possibility that if price was very aggressive, could come back to this level. My stop is resting above this wick with the remaining buy side liquidity that's up here. So ideally, this bearish fair value gap will provide an opportunity for redelivery here to the sell side, and I can continue my overall position and potentially take some internal range liquidity positions here. So I'm going to make some adjustments to my notes, making sure that I'm in the correct position on my dealing range as far as in an area of premium or discount. And if all goes well, my win percentage that is already relatively high would be even higher. So even though I don't like losing trades, knowing why I lost is a surefire way to improve my win rate. So I want to take advantage of this while I have this opportunity. So my day is mostly based off of trying to reduce the amount of trading errors that I make. So if I reduce the amount of trading errors, then success works itself out from there. If you'd like to know more, visit us at OnTiltTrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional.